21 past. Help me! You like your Tic Tacs?
I like my Tic Tacs.
You like your Tic Tacs.
What is up there? You shove it all up there. What are you pregnant? You got like a wound that you put it all there.
So I've renamed the games we play to Games with Tyler. Because it sounds like a cheesy kind of title.
Go in.
At least I put
Yeah,
Tyler.
now you go. Now, if we somehow get another person on sack, you're gonna have to change it to Games with Tyler and
Games with the Retard Squad. No, Games with Friends then. Or just games in general.
Game.
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 Alright.
Scared them, that did.
Ooh. What the fuck was that?
It was a tromboner.
Oh shit, we need to. Oh no, I'll improvise. I thought you meant I was going to do Soundation again for Johnny Hightower, but never mind.
We don't need to.
Yeah, we was doing improvisation because that's better.
Bitch. Messing with the
Help me! What are you doing?
He said, "Help me."
Help me, please! Oh yeah. I've made the Saxon Hale thumbnail already, so you just need to email it me and then, or OneDrive it me and then.
It's always Vagineer for me. The thumbnail.
Yeah, but I can't find the Vagineer foot on SFM, so that's shit. What I've done is that there's two scouts looking at each other, all scared, and the Saxon Hills in the middle of a control point area, running at them. Wait, where did Bartosz Kieran go? Where did he run off?
He ran off to Kieran. We skedaddled. Oh, there they are.
Help me! So did you turn up the graphic settings on your? Good, because then the video will look better now.
Shit, man. Oh, I don't want to go to this.
What? You alright? That was unnecessarily. I'm going to be that kind of dad that does that. Just like loads of loud sneezing.
You can be dad, are you?
Why are you on the floor?
Don't ask him that, it'll hurt his feelings. Don't ask him that.
Why are you sitting down?
Don't ask him that, it'll hurt his feelings. Oh, God's sake.
Are we recording the TF2 game today or?
Most common type of snail is the garden snail.
Do you want the Tic Tac?
No, I don't. Tic Tac
Do you want the Tic Tac?
Oh, give it a viewers one. Please. Oh, cheers, pal. Oh, look at
Don't eat
these.
that. Acid will fill.
Period pills.
Alright, well, you threw two and one of them smashed your shoulder.
Ah,
I'm still so excited.
Back in the womb.
I'm so excited for Colton hours.
in it.
30 days remaining. 30 days.
Yum.
So I can skid down the roller coaster on my arm.
Whee!
Like a shield.
Yeah, you're in front of the roller coaster. Fuck! Help! You fell out.
Imagine how much damage it would do if you were standing at the bottom of the Oblivion ramp. And
Whoa.
it smashed into you.
It'll slice through you. There'll be nothing left of you.
You just say like,
Oh, Narita.
don't know why, but I was watching the first Dark Tales one, and I was like, and I remember Rita, I said, this one's bigger than Oblivion, is it? 'Cause it doesn't look like it.
This one's way bigger than Oblivion. No, or the bit where you don't even you don't understand what you said. I think it was just a scream of shock. Right, Kieran. Hey. Hey, what? It's the end of the video. Oh, is it? Have a good cuppa. Well, just what you say.
Dictators no peace.
Okay, what you saying? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Only the morning. Bye bye. So we've already said bye. We've already said have a good cuppa, but just need to tell you about something. Friday, I'm going back to Tyler's house for the wakeover, as we call it, because we don't really go to sleep. And yeah, we're not doing the normal happens every time retards travelling video, because we've decided, Tyler recently, and I think it's his birthday, he got a webcam, which is, we've done some fun things with already. So And plan is for the new Retards travel video, we're doing, now it's going to be long, so we're going to call it a challenge video as well. So we're going to have the webcam running in the corner of the room for the entire time until we eventually go to sleep. So that's going to be fun. Yeah, but you're probably wondering, but what about when you leave the house to go to a chippy? What are you going to do? Yeah, well, it's obvious what I'm going to do about that. I'm going to keep the webcam running when we've left for the chippy, but I'm going to be using the phone to record and have that either the room in the corner or us in the corner. We still need to decide on that. So that's going to be fun. You're going to have live and uncut, no cuts. There's going to be all Christies, and there's going to be all of us playing for. I bet it'd be about at least an 8-hour video, or 6. It's going to be long, so hopefully. So your challenge is to watch it all the way through. Tyler and I, well, I at least are going to watch it all the way through at one point. Tyler, I'm going to challenge Tyler to do it. So I've been Blake, the Retard Squad. Have a good cuppa.